Hey Mark, so this is going to be how to play Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. So you're going to want to start off on the 2nd fret on the A string, with your first finger if you can, and play it twice. Okay, so 2 strikes on the A string on the 2nd fret using your first finger. Okay. Then you're going to play 2nd fret again with first finger still. Then up to the 4th fret with your 3rd finger. And then to the 5th fret with your pinky. So 2, 4, 5 with your first finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger. Okay, so now we've got after that, your pinky still on the 5th fret, so you're going to keep it there from when we go. You're going to play the 5th fret twice. Okay, so you got. Okay, and here comes the tricky part of this riff, and it's to pull off back to the 4th fret. Okay, so 2 hits on the 5th fret. And then you're going to pull off to the 4th fret, okay, using your 3rd finger. Okay, once you've pulled off, you're then going to play the 4th fret again. Okay, you're going to pluck it. So. Pull off, pluck. Okay. Okay, then it just repeats over and over again. So yeah, that is Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones.